The Railway Review to the Class 143 preserved by NVR. Would you like to master the controls of the Class 143? Let us know in the comments below. Personally, I found the seats to be comfortable and enjoyable for a journey. I love the use of the old Welsh signs from when TFW owned them. Thankfully, the train was at a stand, so I can demonstrate them. Doors functioning.
Though we couldn't get it moving, though I've heard it is bumpy when moving. A well worth preservation by the Nene Valley Railway. I luckily